I'm going to be showing you how to make that exact legume plate that's filled with green beans and edamame. Start by chopping up your green beans into about 1-inch little pieces because we're going to be sauteing this with our edamame. This is seriously such an amazing dish. It is filled with nutrition and it tastes buttery. Even though we don't use any butter from the sesame oil, it's delicious. Just look at those ingredients, you're going to love it. I just used about half a bag of Trader Joe's frozen edamame here and 2 handfuls of the green beans. It really doesn't matter how much you use because everything is going to be customizable to taste. So whenever you're using the sesame oil, just make sure that it's enough to coat it. You guys have got to make this dish. It is so simple and it is so full of nutrition. Check out my channel for more awesome recipes that use plant-based ingredients, and you can find me on Instagram at superiorhealth.savage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.